Hello, in this video I will show you how to add stickers on WhatsApp. Now it's a very easy process. So open WhatsApp. Now to add a sticker, all you have to do is click on the smiley face. Then over here at the very end you will find the sticker option. And under that you will find all the stickers that are currently on your device. And below at the bar over here, you will find all the stickers that are installed. Now if you want more stickers, just simply click on this plus option over here. Then sticker library will open up. Now all you have to do is just simply look for the sticker group that you want and then click on the download option right beside it. And then the sticker should get downloaded on your device. And if you want to check it, click on my stickers over here and then you will be able to see your stickers over here as well. Now if you go back, as you can see at the very bottom, your stickers have been added. Then all you have to do is just simply use them. And that's it. Thank you for watching and do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.